Alright guys, we got a brand new vacuum cleaner. This is a cordless vacuum. This is from PRETTYCARE right here, PRETTYCARE. And the idea is we have a lot of dog hair all over our floors. We have 3 little dogs, especially one of them has white. A lot of dog hair all over the floor, especially the white dog hair. So we've just run this for just a couple of seconds here, and this is kind of what it looks like. Got quite a bit of dog hair coming through here. You can see it right there. Let's see how we do with this. You see it's got this, the head of it here has a little swivel action on it, right? So that's pretty cool. It's got some little lights up on the front. Lights up, help you see what you're getting. You see the little dog hair right here. The little white dog hairs. Looks like it's doing a good job sucking them up. You can see the little things in the corner there. So those lights on it are real helpful. We have dog hairs everywhere in here. It's amazing how helpful the little lights are. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off here and take a look. Right in here, you can see all the little dog hairs that we've been sucking up right in there. So again, this is the PRETTYCARE. This is a cordless vacuum, very quiet. You can also do the attachments here, and you can have like a little handheld. Let's see how we get it. There we go. So it has some other attachments. You can take off the vacuum part, and it has like a little handheld to get like along the baseboards. Alright, so we can use it, the little handheld attachment, to brush off the furniture. Little white dog hairs, we get dog hairs everywhere. We love our little dogs, but we don't love the dog hair. So you can see, suck the dog hair off the big chair here in the den. All right, so we only run it for just a little bit here, but whenever it gets full, up underneath here, you just push the button and then you can empty it out right there. You can see all the little stuff we've sucked up so far. Of course, you got one of these pieces here that you can extend, you know, one of these things here you can put on there to extend it. Different attachment. And now we're turning it up to a higher setting. We had it on the low setting, so we've just turned it up for more suction power. It's not very loud at all, even though it's on the higher setting right now. It's not very loud. Now we're using it with it turned up to a higher level here. Folds up nice and compact for storage. So you can just go. So that's what it looks like right there, all folded up and put away, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space in your cabinets, closets.